gosh, that hair is awesome. Bright red. What kind of conditioner do you use? Gosh, I love your girl's hair.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, it is shining in the sun. What kind of conditioner do you guys use?
I don't even know the name of mine.
I love your hair. What kind of conditioner do you use, girl?
W-I-G.
Like the hair, man. What kind of conditioner? Touch me, bro. Oh, my bad.
I find that shit funny, bro.
All right.
Oh my god, you scared the shit. Go ahead. You scared me.
I love your hair. It is
Thank you.
awesome. What kind of shampoo do you use?
Yeah?
I like that. What kind of conditioner do you use?
Right now I'm using Sesame.
What kind of conditioner do you use?
It's weird. Probably one because I ever like touch my hair without getting hit.
I love your hair.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, no problem. What kind of conditioner do you use?
It's the conditioner that comes with it.
Okay, it comes with it. I love your hair. What kind of conditioner do you use?
We're not about to do that.
Wow, I love your hair.
You love my hair? It's horrible. Thank you, though.
What kind of conditioner do you use?
What can do I use, man? Oh, I'm putting on YouTube.
What kind of conditioner do you use?
I don't. What are you?
Gosh, your hair is shining right now. What kind of conditioner do you use?
I don't know.
Oh, love your hair. What kind of conditioner do you use?
I don't know. Just whatever I have.
Okay. What kind of conditioner do you use? I love your hair.
Thank you.
What kind of conditioner do you use?
I don't know.
What kind of conditioner do you use?
I just use shampoo.
In a seat.
It's juicy. Your hair is awesome. What kind of conditioner do you use?
I have nothing. I'm on the phone with my kids at school.
Oh God. What kind of conditioner do you use? I love your hair.
Oh, thank you so much.
It's shining in the sun. Yeah. What kind of conditioner do you use? What kind of conditioner?
It's the Sunny's.
Oh my God. I love your hair.
Hi, how are you?
What kind of conditioner do you use?
Thank you. Curly.
Curly, exactly.